In this video, you will learn how to create a table in Microsoft Excel. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Firstly, I will write the title of this table, Calculate Salary Increment. Then I will write headings of columns, existing salary, second column heading is percent increase. Click on this cell. Third column heading is increase in salary. Press enter. Now you can see here we have entered the title as well as the headings of these columns. After that, I will adjust the column width. Place your cursor on this line and by dragging you can adjust the width of these columns. Similarly, adjust the width of second column and adjust the width of third column. Now select all these three cells and in alignment option you will find the option of merge and center. Click on this arrow sign and from here I will choose merge and center. Now select this title and from here I will bold it and I will change its font size and font style. Now here you will find the option of fill color. I will choose yellow color. Similarly, I will select three headings and I will bold them and I will change their font color to red. Now I will enter remaining data. Copy this one and paste it here. Copy the second column data and paste it here. Similarly, select third column data and paste it here. You can also manually write this data. I am doing that to save time. For example, if I want to write 36,000, simply type 36,000 and press enter. Similarly, write second value and third values. Now I want to place a border around these cells. I will select this one and here you will find the option of borders. Click here and from here I will choose all borders. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has inserted all borders. You can also use alignment option. For example, I will select the data of first column and from alignment option I can choose middle align. Align left and align right. So by doing so, you can easily generate a graph in Microsoft Excel and conditionally format it according to your requirement. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.